Okay guys, we got on the bench today Ostacruiser 6x6 middle differential. This baby lasted about 200 miles, he was telling me. So we started with a fresh mid diff for him. We put our mud and wheels touch on it. And seeing this is the first 6x6 middle diff I've ever seen, I thought I'd make a little video about it. I'll say that Can-Am definitely did their homework here. They tried to make these diffs stronger. In my opinion, they just missed the mark a little bit. So let's just open it up here and we'll see what kind of makes it tick. There's your input pinion. It's locked right up right now. There we go, turns a little bit. And there is your output pinion. Now this pinion here is what drives your second or your tandem axle. So we'll just open it up and have a look. So now that I got the lid off, the first thing I noticed right off the bat is these gears they're using in here are the old style Commander gears. Most people know how noisy they were in the Commanders. I've always loved working with these gears though. I always felt that they're the best quality gear that Can-Am made in this style of tooth. You can see though, this really took a pounding. I'm not sure the engineers at Can-Am quite had Ostacruiser in mind when they built this sucker. So what's really surprised me here about this diff is that this is the input pinion. Sorry for the shakiness. And all in all, the input pinion is where I thought I would see all the damage, but it looks relatively good. This is the pinion that is going to take all of the torque. So this is the driven pinion. This supplies power to the rear differential or the tandem axle, if you will. And this is only going to see 50% of the torque that the first pinion is going to take. But it is just chewed right up. So I was very surprised to see this one fail and the bearings locked up again here. We also have on the bench here is a rear 6x6 diff, which is essentially a G2 diff but with a few small differences. First of all, the fill plug is now on the lid side. It's a weird kind of a casting. I don't know, it looks almost like a cheap casting. It's got more mounting points, and I'm not entirely sure if all those mounting holes are used in this or not. Another thing is that the retaining nut for the pinion here on the G2 diffs is all left-hand thread, where this is a standard thread on this diff. And if you'll notice here we have our G2 diff. The lids for the cases are now on opposing sides. That's a little bit different than what we're used to seeing here too. So all in all, I'd say Can-Am put effort into making this stronger than their other G2 style diffs with these straight bevel gears. Missed the mark a little bit in my opinion. Anyways, Ostacruiser is going to test this latest build out for us, and we've heard some other guys having troubles with these 6x6 diffs, so we hope we're going to have a solution for you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.